it's Olivia again, and our next guest is Andalyn, and Abby will be asking her about the difference between weather and climate.
All right, Andalyn. So, can you help us differentiate between weather and climate? So, we know that weather is what's happening in the atmosphere on any given day in a specific place, while climate is the average of that weather over time and space. So, can you help us elaborate on that and help us differentiate between those two?
Of course. So to begin, weather refers to the short-term atmospheric conditions in a specific place at a specific time. It includes elements like temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure. For example, today's weather might be sunny with a high of 75 and a light breeze. Variability can also come into play with weather, meaning that it can change rapidly from hour to hour. Climate, on the other hand, refers to the long-term patterns and averages of weather in a particular region over a period of decades or centuries. For example, the climate of a desert region might be hot and dry year-round, while the climate of a temperate forest might be mild with distinct seasons. There is more consistency in climate, meaning that climate is more stable and predictable compared to weather. It's the overall pattern that helps us understand what to expect in terms of temperature, precipitation, and other factors over long periods. While weather and climate are related, they are not the same thing. Climate sets the stage for the types of weather events that are likely to occur in a region, but weather represents the short-term variations within that broader climate context. Climate change refers to the long-term shifts in global or regional climate patterns, often attributed to human activities like burning fossil fuels or deforestation. While climate change affects the average conditions over time, it can also influence short-term weather patterns. For example, climate change can lead to more frequent and intense heat waves, storms, or heavy rainfall events. It can also alter atmospheric circulation patterns, affecting wind patterns, precipitation distribution, and storm tracks. Understanding the difference between weather and climate helps us grasp the broader impacts of climate change on our daily lives and long-term environmental trends. By studying both, we can better prepare for and mitigate the effects of changing climate conditions.
Thank you for helping us understand that difference.
Of course.